Yes, good morning, children. So, in today's class, we will again do some questions of sample papers. Okay. In my previous video, I have given you the questions from electricity, and now in this sample paper questions, we are doing about the light chapter. Okay, these are all of 5 marks. 5 marks questions which I have taken from the sample papers, or we can say from previous year's questions. So our first question is, draw a ray diagram to show the formation of image by a convex lens when an object is placed in front of the lens between its optical center and principal focus. So you have to make a ray diagram of what? Convex lens, where the object where it is placed between its optical center and principal focus. Okay. So we will now do the question. This is your convex lens. Okay. Thicker at the center. Then it is a convex lens. So object is placed between the optical center and the principal focus. Optical center is, we can say it as pole, and the focus, between focus and the optical center. Now the image is placed. Now we draw the diagram. This is the ray passing. Okay. So this is the ray passing. When the ray light is passing, it will go to the other side of the lens, focal length, and one ray will pass through the optical center, but the image is formed at the back side of the object. Okay, between f1 and 2f1. See, the object is between pole and the focus, but the image is formed behind the object. And its image, what its nature? It is a large. What is its characteristics, or we can say the nature? The object is formed on the same side of the object. The image is formed on the same side of the object. This is the object, and on the same side the image has been formed. Then it is virtual and direct. Okay, and larger in size. By the diagram also we can say it is larger in size. So this is one question A. So our next B part question is, a convex lens forms a real and inverted image of magnification to the size of an object placed at a distance of 20 cm. Where is the image formed? What it has given? Magnification has given -1. Size of the object, what it has given? 20 cm. We have to take the distance of the image. Where is the image formed means we have to take the distance. We have to take. We know magnification m equals to v upon u. Okay. Now we have to take u. It has given 20 cm. So in front of the lens image it will be -20. So m equals to v upon u. Value of m is -1 and v equals to v upon -20. Cross multiply, 1 plus, then 1 into 20 cm. So the image is formed at a distance of 20 cm. What it has said, see here, real and inverted image of magnification to the same size of an object. Okay, the size is also same, the distance is also same here. See, v equals to 20 cm. Okay, our next question is, differentiate between a convex lens and concave lens. You have to differentiate between the convex lens and concave lens. At least you have to write 4 points, and you can draw the diagram also. Okay, wherever the difference has given and diagram is there, you have to draw the diagram. Okay, convex lens. it is thicker at the middle and thin at the edges, है ना. How it comes? This is thicker, and what is concave lens? It is thin at the middle and thicker at the edges. It has real focus, it has a virtual focus. Okay, it converges a parallel beam of light on refraction through it. As you light rays, it converges. Okay, converges, and it diverges, means when light is formed, it diverges. A parallel beam of light on refraction through it. Okay. Next one is, it forms both real and virtual images. Convex lens always forms real and virtual images, whereas concave lens forms virtual images, not real. Okay, concave lens always forms virtual images. This is one part of the question. Another part is, what is the minimum number of rays required for locating the image formed by a concave mirror? है ना, मिरर में अगर कोई इमेज चाहिए तो तुमको कितने नंबर, हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ रेज यू आर रिक्वायर्ड. ड्रॉ अ रे डायग्राम टू शो द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ए वर्चुअल इमेज बाय अ कॉन्केव मिरर. A minimum of 2 rays are required. Answer is 2 rays. Okay, one it is going parallel and another one is going between the pole. When the light rays falls from the top of the image, it go through the pole, and one it goes parallel to the principal focus. Okay, a minimum of 2 rays are required for locating the image formed by a concave mirror for an object when the object is placed between pole and focus. Okay, now this is your ray diagram, this is your concave mirror, this is your shining part, inner part, outer part is your reflected polished area. When an object is placed between pole and focus, what it happens, when the light rays are passed and it is get diverge, and another light falls and pass through the pole. Now where is the image formed? Image is formed backside of the mirror. The image has been formed backside of the mirror. So what get its nature? Its nature is erect and large size. Okay. Now our next question is, a concave lens of focal length 15 cm forms an image 10 cm from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Draw the ray diagram. Focal length equals to -15. लेंस के सामने में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट रखेंगे तो वॉट एवर इट कम्स इन नेगेटिव. Image distance has given -10, forms an image 10 cm. So V equals to -10. We have to find the object distance. Using lens formula, 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. When we want u, you just shift 1 upon u equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon f. Substituting the values, 1 upon minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon minus 15. Minus minus will come to plus 15. Okay, minus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15 equals to minus 3 plus 2 upon 30, which is equals to minus 1 upon 30. Reverse reciprocal, 1 upon u is minus 1 upon 30. So u will become minus 30 centimeter. Okay, this is your ray diagram. This is your concave lens. Okay, the image is for the object, what it has said, the image has been formed between, so the image of the object has been formed between the pole and the focus. Okay, it is of 10 centimeter. What it has given, the focal length is 15 centimeter, and according to the question we have solved, we received u equals to minus 30 centimeter. So means image of the object, position of the object is on the same side of the image. Okay, so your u equals to 30 centimeter. So our next question is, state the relation between object distance, image distance and focal length of a spherical mirror. What it has told, that we have to find the relation between u, v and f of what? Spherical mirror formula. Okay, what is that? Relation of object distance u, image distance v and focal length f. So our formula is 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So this is your relation. This is the relation between u, v and f. So simple, है ना? Next part, a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image of an object kept at a distance of 10 centimeter from the mirror. Find the position, nature and size of the image formed by it. What it has given? First, it is a mirror and its focal length is 15 centimeter. Image of the object v, it has given 10 centimeter. So we have to find the nature, size and position. So f, मिरर के सामने कोई सा भी ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा तो वो that will be your negative. Focal length will also be taken as negative. Okay, mirror formula 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. We have to find v. Okay, u has given, f has given. So 1 upon v equals to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. What is the value of f? Minus 15. Minus 1 on value of u is minus 10. Minus minus will become plus. So 1 upon v equals to 1 minus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 10. We are using this. We got v equals to 30 centimeter. Previous question we have done about the lens. Okay, a concave lens. And now this is the concave mirror. Okay, don't get confused. वहाँ पे अपन को u minus 30 मिला and now here we got v equals to 30. Okay, find the position. To find the position, m equals to minus v upon u. Okay, this is a magnification of the mirror. So minus v, how much we got? 30. So minus v will become minus 30 and u is minus 10. So minus 10 minus minus cancel, 0 0 cancel, then you will be getting plus 3. What it shows? That image is virtual and erect. Okay, the positive sign, what it shows? That the image is virtual and erect. Says m is greater than 1, the value of m is greater than 1, then the image is formed behind the mirror and is larger in size. Okay, behind, this is the nature. You have to write in every question whether it has been asked or not asked. If it has asked, you will write. If in the question it has not asked, then also you have to write. Okay, the nature. First is virtual and erect. Then image is formed behind the mirror and larger in size. We can give the example also. It is not needed, but I have given. Makeup mirror, shaving mirror, dentist mirror. Okay, when we see on this mirror, the image is formed larger. Okay, it is getting very close to, we can see our face very closely in the mirror. Dentist mirror also, they are having small mirror, but why they are having this concave mirror? Because of they can see the larger size of our teeth. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the concepts. All these questions, such type of questions are not the same question I am telling. Such type of questions being asked in your exam. So get prepared and please write in your copy.